The modify commands in AutoCAD improve your efficiency of workflow. Let's start by looking at erase, copy and mirror. I'm going to start with erase. I'm going to erase the objects on the screen. Select the command and place a crossing window. In this case there are too many objects being selected, so I'm going to show you another workflow. Select the command again, enter the question mark, and at the command line I see all these options. I'm going to use CP for crossing polygon, and it will take just 3 points to select all the objects. I can create irregular shapes doing this. Click enter, right click, the objects are erased. Now let's look at mirroring a valve. So using the mirror command, I'm going to select all the objects on the left hand side. So mirror, again crossing window, and I need to select a mirror line. I've turned OSnap back on, selecting a couple of points to select my mirror line. I do not want to erase the source objects, and there it is, very quickly copied that valve to the right. Now I want to use the copy command. I want to select the valve that I've just created with the mirror command. Select those objects again with a crossing window, and I need a base point. This could be any number of points on here. I'm going to select a little point just up at the top. Drag that down. I'm going to zoom in a little bit so I can see it a little better. Click on that point, right click, enter, and zoom out to see the work. So in this case I quickly used erase, mirror and copy to advance my project.